Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap at Target Trading Academy. It is Tuesday. Let me get this up here. November 29th at the New York close. Get right into it with micro oil. We opened above the close from oil, had a move down, found support, and then we just hit that edge of the HVA. First time is when we opened. Second, 3 times, 4 times technically, before breaking through that level. Remember, these levels are given out the night before, so our students can get them onto their respective charts so they are ready to go for the next day's sessions or even that night if they want to trade that night. But with that said, plenty of response at these levels. Eventually, they came back down, got to the close, and then rejected it almost immediately and shot back up. End of story is we are closing net positive for the day in oil from yesterday's close. So we are positive. As far as gold goes, there are no levels on the chart due to the rollover that had occurred. And there just needs to be more participation for those levels to be given out to students. So we don't typically trade them during that time. As you can see, there's not a ton of movement in the market anyways. But all you need to know is we did close net positive in gold for the day. As far as our equities go, the micro ES and micro NASDAQ. We opened not terribly far from the close the other day. ES had initial selling off and then up back into that HVA, and it was just choppy that first hour or so after it opened. And then there was a little bit of a fake out as they had moved up higher and then almost immediately came back down and never really reached this area again. Sellers definitely took charge, broke through that range low from yesterday and just kept going, making new lows before lunch, and then had a rally, I should say, back up towards where we opened, but they were quickly stuffed and brought down again into this main body of where they were throwing out a ton of volume and participation. But ultimately, we are finishing net lower than we closed yesterday. So we are down for the day in the ES. We are down for the day in the micro NASDAQ. It's a similar story, a little bit more of an extension in the NASDAQ. But you'll see that here as I scroll back from where we opened. Had that same initial selling. HVA edge. Couldn't break it when they opened once, twice, 3 times. And they came down, hit that range low once, twice, 3 times, broke it, a little bit of an extension before they came back up, tested that low again, and you'll see that they finally break it after attempting new highs around that same time that we saw that little fake out in the ES. And they came down and hit this HVA level. Did a little extension through it, had that support, and they tested it again a second time. It held again, and it wasn't tested for the remainder of the day. But with that said, we are finishing net down in the micro NASDAQ as well. So we're down in the micro NASDAQ, down in the micro ES, up in micro gold, and up in micro oil. If you're interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us online at our website or go to our Facebook page. Our website is Target Trading Academy. Sorry, that's changed. It's targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. If you have any questions or want to learn more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts or learn how to trade with our methodology, again, feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms.